Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about web components in JavaScript. So I'm trying to create a complete series on the web components from JavaScript till other frameworks like Angular and React. Let's understand about what web component is and what are the techniques which are used to create our web components and what are the features provided by web component. Let me go to the next slide. So here web components are something like a custom elements or custom HTML content which can be created by yourself and it is reusable and independent. How it is reusable and independent? So I can create one component, example like Sai component, and that Sai component have set of features which are independent of that particular component, and this can be used over any of the framework or any other library or at any project. So that is where the reusability and independent comes in. Why I'm saying independent? Independent is, for example, if you are creating a custom component, it will have its own features and it will have its own properties which will be defined by ourselves and that can be used anywhere. So that is where reusable and independent comes in. To achieve this reusability and independency, JavaScript provided three techniques. One is custom HTML elements, shadow DOM technique, and HTML templates. These are the three main features of a web component. So first one is custom HTML elements. In JavaScript, we can create our custom HTML elements by using custom elements, which can be creating your own HTML element or a custom element, and that can be reused with some set of functionalities. And how it is advantageous for us. In general, we can create lot of components and we can integrate at any point of time and at any place. But how shadow DOM technique helps us? So shadow DOM technique is a technique where you will be writing your components isolated. That means it will not interact with your main DOM, document DOM. It will be a separate DOM. This will never be collide with your actual functionality of a main DOM. So that is why this is called as a shadow DOM, and whenever you are integrating in any project, it is not needed to bother about a collision of the elements or collision of the functionalities. This will be complete and independent functionalities as well as the UI rendering. And coming to HTML templates, there are two tags which are provided by HTML templates, that is template tag and the slot tag. Actually speaking, whenever you write some content inside this template tag, that will not render in your DOM until unless you use it or utilize it. So whenever we call it, then only this can be utilized in our DOM and it can render at any place. So by using this template tag, we can use that particular components anywhere. If we are not using it, it will never render on your DOM. So that is how the template and the slot tags will help you. If you go to my previous Angular video where I shown you template outlet, that is where we are using a template HTML element and that will not visible until unless we call it. So to understand that, I'll provide the link in the description. Please watch that for better understanding. This is my first introduction video of web components. In the upcoming videos, we will use these custom elements. We'll try to create them and we will try to render on your UI on any of the HTML, and then we can even use our HTML templates in the upcoming videos, and I'll give a brief examples about each and every technique and how to use it. Later on, we'll try to go into the Angular usage of web components, where we will be developing our components in Angular and we'll integrate that particular web components into our React and we'll try to render the content. So this is how the web component series would be, and this will give you a roadmap to how that web component series will go on. So the next video will continue with creating the custom HTML elements and followed by shadow DOM and followed by HTML templates. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.